Today, I'm diving deep into the wild theory that dinosaurs sent their bones to the moon after an asteroid impact. Let's see if there's any truth to this crazy idea. In this video, we'll examine the bizarre concept of dinosaurs sending bones to the moon following an asteroid impact and uncover the truth behind this claim. You've probably heard this theory before, maybe from a friend or an online article, but have you ever stopped to think about how it might have happened? I mean, dinosaurs were massive creatures, but sending their bones to the moon, that's a pretty big feat. The idea raises so many questions, like, how did the bones even get to the moon? Was it some kind of dinosaur space program that we're not aware of? And what about the physics behind it? It's not like the dinosaurs could have just launched their bones into space like we do with rockets today. The whole concept is based on a false premise that asteroid impacts can send debris, including dinosaur bones, to the moon. But is that even possible? I mean, asteroid impacts are incredibly powerful, but can they really propel bones into space? And what about the moon's gravity? Wouldn't it be almost impossible for dinosaur bones to land on the moon's surface? There are just too many holes in this theory, and we need to get to the bottom of it. Another problem with this theory is that it's based on a fundamental misunderstanding of asteroid impacts and how they affect the Earth. When an asteroid hits our planet, it creates a massive shockwave that can cause destruction on a massive scale. But it's not like the asteroid is launching debris into space. It's more like it's creating a crater and throwing up dirt and rocks into the air. So, where does the idea of dinosaur bones going to the moon come from? It's time to separate fact from fiction and get to the truth. Delve into the scientific evidence regarding dinosaurs, their extinction, and the events surrounding asteroid impacts, while also addressing the myths and misconceptions. Let's talk about what we know about dinosaur extinction. It's widely accepted that a massive asteroid impact, known as the Chicxulub asteroid impact, led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. But what we don't know is whether that impact had anything to do with sending dinosaur bones to the moon. In fact, most scientists agree that the impact would have vaporized any dinosaur remains, not sent them flying into space. When we look at the moon, we see a barren, rocky surface with no signs of dinosaur life. If dinosaur bones did make it to the moon, we'd expect to see some evidence of that. But we don't. In fact, the moon's surface is remarkably free of any organic material, which makes sense given its airless environment. So, where are these dinosaur bones supposed to be? Are they hiding under a layer of moon dust? It just doesn't add up. We've also got to consider the time scale of dinosaur extinction. It didn't happen overnight. It took tens of thousands of years for the dinosaurs to disappear. So, even if an asteroid impact did send debris to the moon, which is highly unlikely, would the dinosaur bones even still be intact after all that time? It's unlikely, to say the least. Reveal the most significant insights about the relationship between asteroids, dinosaurs, and the moon, clarifying the facts behind this unusual theory. So, what can we conclude from all this? Well, for starters, dinosaurs didn't send their bones to the moon after an asteroid impact. It's a nice idea, but it's just not supported by scientific evidence. Asteroid impacts are powerful, but they don't have the capability to launch dinosaur bones into space, let alone onto the moon's surface. The moon and asteroids are two separate entities with their own unique features and histories. The moon is a rocky, airless satellite that's been bombarded by asteroids over billions of years, creating the craters and surface features we see today. Asteroids, on the other hand, are remnants from the early days of our solar system, hurtling through space with their own trajectories and compositions. There's no connection between the two that would allow for dinosaur bones to be sent to the moon. In conclusion, while the idea of dinosaurs sending bones to the moon might be an entertaining thought, it's not based in reality. We've got to be careful when exploring these kinds of theories, making sure we're separating fact from fiction and not perpetuating misinformation. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the wild world of dinosaur theories. If you enjoyed this exploration, check out our other videos on dinosaurs and space theories, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.